Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2008 Ford Fiesta Zetec in metallic silver finish with a 16-inch Ford alloy wheels. I'm gonna show you the size of the boat shortly. The front view of the vehicle is got front forks. It's got split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf. Two-tone velour interior in black and blue color. 4 headrests. Good size of a legroom. It's not too bad at all. Speakers on the rear doors and a child lock. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It's got auto headlights. It's nothing to worry about. It's not worn or anything on the seats. Once we step in, as you can see, it is a 5-speed manual. It's got some volume control on under the steering wheel on the left hand side. Air conditioning. It's got that blue color on the trims as well, the front trims. Then it's got front heated windscreen, which is very helpful for the winter time. I'm owning the same vehicle, 2008 Ford Fiesta, and I'm happy with it for now. It is very good choice for first car, as the engine is small and the insurance is not that high. Mine is 1.6. So on the screen it is Kenwood. It's got Bluetooth connectivity with Bluetooth audio, which allows to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables. It's got DAB radio. You can watch DVD movies on the screen as well. As you can see, the Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth audio. We can download even apps on this one, as you can see. And in the glove box, it's got the USB slot. It goes to the unit and the user manual. Some storage department in the middle and a cup holder, 12-volt power outlet, and the auxiliary is next to it. Some cup holders on the doors as well. This was the video walk around with the 2008 Ford Fiesta Zetec. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.